Madagascar has a unique geographic history, astounding biodiversity, and one of the highest concentration of endemic and endangered taxa in the world. The island has a wide range of climates and habitats, which change across the complex topography. These changes in turn influence the distribution and flourishing of a wide variety of arthropods, including ants. Ants are the glue that hold the webs of our entire ecosystem together. They provide critical ecosystem service wherever they are found. However, the knowledge of Malagasy ants is incomplete. At the same time, the island's biodiversity is vanishing. MBC recognized an urgent need of species exploration. My colleagues and I have 4 primary project goals. We inventory ants across Madagascar and study their natural history. We examine how pattern of ant diversity on the island came to be. We describe newly discovered ant species using measurements and DNA. And we train Malagasy students to become the next generation of biodiversity scientists. Our finding doesn't just collect us. We apply what we find to conservation planning, assessing the environmental impact of development projects, and helping to sustain wildlife across the island.